Hi, this is Anita from Very Create, and I got this awesome Christmas present from Santa. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what it is. It's a Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. It came from Amazon and it came packaged in this really sturdy box, which I will probably use to store it in, at least for a little while. We've got a 100-page manual. This is really cool. This is the extension tray, section table for free arm, free motion quilting. I'm excited to try that. This is all the wonderful presser feet that come with this set, and a couple of extra ones, like this is the walking foot. Of course, there's a foot pedal. Gotta have that. And this really cool styrofoam so that I can put it back in the box and it'll be perfectly safe. I might decide to jettison that. One of the things I love about this machine is it's so lightweight and it has its own carry handle. So let's see what this guy looks like. It's been a few years since I bought a sewing machine, about 23 years to be exact. And I wanted a budget-friendly sewing machine that I could use for 4 or 5 years while I save up my petty cash so I can pay cash for a very expensive sewing machine later. Oh, look, it comes with a plastic case. Oh, I'm super happy about that. Now I can get rid of the box and store it with its case. Yay, that's a bonus I didn't know came with it. And here we go. The Quantum Sewing Machine. Comes with a free arm so I can sew sleeves and hems. And all this little styrofoam pack to keep all the components really super tight and careful in shipping. I can't wait to crack this baby open and show you what it can do.